If your gas fireplace pilot light won't stay lit, it's probably messing with your cozy vibes and needs some quick fixing. Okay, so first thing, check if the pilot assembly is dirty or clogged. Dust and soot can build up and stop the flame from catching properly. Grab a small brush or compressed air to clean it out gently. Next, look at the thermocouple. It's this little sensor that tells your fireplace to stay on when it feels heat. If it's old or bent, it might not work right, so you might need to replace it. Also, make sure the gas supply valve is fully open because sometimes it's just barely turned on. If you smell gas, don't mess with it and call a pro right away. When you relight the pilot, hold down the button for at least 30 seconds so the thermocouple gets enough time to heat up and keep the flame lit. Don't rush this part, or the pilot light will go out again. Lastly, if your fireplace has a safety switch or remote control system, double-check those batteries and settings too. One of the biggest mistakes with a gas fireplace pilot light that won't stay lit is ignoring a dirty pilot assembly. Cleaning it regularly stops most flame issues. Another common problem is a faulty thermocouple. People often try to fix it without replacing it, but if it's damaged, swapping it out is the only real fix. The third issue is not waiting long enough while holding down the pilot light button when relighting. If you let go too soon, the flame won't stay on because the thermocouple hasn't heated enough to signal the gas valve. Fix these by keeping the pilot clean, replacing worn parts like the thermocouple, and being patient when lighting. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can help sort out your gas fireplace issues safely. It also gives contractors a solid way to find homeowners who actually need their help, making sure everyone wins.